Okay, the next topic we're looking at is drawing papers on page A7 in your text workbook. And they fall in two basic categories. I have a little problem with the author's description, but uh, basically paper and vellum are the two types of media that we draw on today. To a lesser extent, mylar film. The drawing paper is treated with some type of coating, some papers less than others. There are specific drawing papers that you can purchase, high quality paper, that does have kind of a plastic coating in it, very light. Vellum is also treated to make it transparent, a little more so than the paper. And vellum is actually made of cotton, 100% cotton. You can also get a mixture that is 70 and 80%. You'll see that for stationery and what have you. But in drawing, in technical drawing, we have vellum that we like to use for our sketches. Excuse me. And that particular type of media is available at like your office supply stores or Hobby Lobby, perhaps the bookstore on campus. Your drawing sheet sizes come in increments, proportions of 8.5 by 11 or 9 by 12. Typically, we utilize the 8.5 by 11 because that's the letter size. It fits into a folder. That's the American letter size. 9 by 12 is closer to a metric size, but metric is narrower and longer. So 8.5 by 11 is an A size. B size is 11 by 17. C size is 17 by 22. D 22 by 34. And then the E is 34 by 48 as a rule. I'm not familiar with it being an E size in the American National Standards and being 5 foot or 6 foot long. That would be another classification. So these are American National Standard sizes right through here, A through E. And you notice that if you just remember 8.5 by 11, then all you have to do is keep the longest dimension and double the shortest dimension to get your next size. See, 8.5 times 2 would be 17. 11 times 2 times 11 would be 22. 2 times 17 would be 34. Okay. To a lesser use, there were actually linen, fine, high-quality linen was coated with maybe some kind of starch, or in later years a polymer, and those were used for maps and large drawings as a common practice. The original drawings, to lesser and lesser extent, are stored now. We typically don't create anything large or anything original by hand anymore. It's all stored digitally. You may save your sketch work in an engineering office, your design work, in a separate little folder somewhere, or in a binder for a record or engineering notebook. The large format digital printers is what is used today. The digital printer and copiers are usually a combo unit, and they are connected directly to the CAD system. There are a few departments, I'm going to guess, of older corporations and companies that still have the ability to print using the ammonia or the diazo method. We won't even discuss that. Please read through this. Do a little Google work on diazo or blueprint making, and get yourself familiar with it, just so that you can talk about it intelligently if your company happens to still have one of the machines.